shake your strawberry bonbon. Look at these, strawberry and chocolate bonbon with wafer and strawberry and chocolate flavored filling. Wow, look at that. Comes in like a old school candy style wrapper. Oh, wow. So you can taste a little wafer cookie. Good strawberry flavor. Light on the chocolate. I'd give that an 8. This is pretty good though. It's got some good flavor.